Council Rock School District, in partnership with Roush Cleantech and Bluebird Buses, presents our new propane school buses.
Over the winter, we decided to make a much-needed change for our community, and we took the opportunity to convert the 150 bus fleet from diesel to propane. PA has the third most propane buses in the U.S., and some of the neighboring areas are already operating with propane buses. In this video, you'll hear from Lance Suttle of Roush Technologies, the builder of the propane fueling system. Lance will take us around the bus to show us the safety features of the great new Bluebird buses.
Hi, my name is Lance Suttle from Roush Cleantech, and I'll be going through some of the new safety features on the new propane-powered Bluebird Vision bus. The liquid injection propane system runs very similar to a standard gasoline or diesel fuel system. In the fuel door, this is where they'd fill the vehicle, just like you fill a propane bottle. Another safety device built into here is a fuel door switch, so that makes sure that the fuel door is fully closed and locked before it allows the bus to start. The fuel tanks on these buses are mounted between the frame rails and are shielded by large steel shields on either side. The buses have a very stringent safety guidelines and have to go through a very specific crash test for these tanks. They hit the tanks with a sled that's a 4,000-pound sled at 40 miles an hour, and the tanks have to maintain pressure with no leak of propane for at least 30 minutes after that. So all these buses' designs have gone through that testing and easily passed. These buses run on clean, domestic, and economical propane autogas. It's stored inside of a steel tank that's mounted between the frame rails on the bus. That tank is made out of about an 1/8-inch steel that's 20 times more puncture resistant than your standard diesel or gasoline tank. Once it leaves that fuel tank, it goes through stainless steel fuel lines all the way up to the engine bay of the bus. And throughout that system, there's multiple mechanical and electronic shutoff valves that will prevent any leak from sustaining. So if there was any damage to the bus, leaks would be minimized and the tank would be sealed off by those shutoff valves.
Clean. Propane is an approved fuel listed in the 1990 Clear Air Act. Substituting propane for other fuels such as gasoline and fuel oils is an economical and viable step toward cleaner air. Using propane reduces the greenhouse gas carbon dioxide and pollutants like carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxide. American made. Keeps quality jobs at home. Nearly 50,000 workers across the U.S. are employed in propane production, transportation, and distribution. Abundant. America produces more than enough propane to meet demand. In fact, U.S. is propane's leading producer. Affordable. Propane prices are typically lower than those associated with gasoline, diesel fuel, and home heating oil due to the growing supply. Reliable. You will be happy to know these propane buses start instantly in weather as cold as 42 degrees below zero. No more starting buses on cold mornings and idling for 30 to 45 minutes. Quieter. 11 decibels quieter than diesel. You can hear the kids better, surroundings, and less noise for the people around us. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Council Rock's new propane bus fleet.